how to connect Ollama to n8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to connect Ollama, a local AI model server, with n8n, one of the most powerful open source automation tool out there. So why integrate Ollama with n8n? Because the combo lets you to run AI powered automation locally. No API keys, no external calls, full data privacy, and blazing fast responses. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to send prompt from n8n to Ollama and get AI generated responses you can use anywhere like Discord, Notion, databases, and more. So let's get started. First thing first, what you need is Ollama installed and running locally, and it can install either on your machine or via Docker. And then this is optional, a downloaded model like Ollama 3 or Mr. inside the Ollama. So open your terminal and make sure both services are live for Ollama. For example, right now I have this wait for a few seconds. If you go back my history, and this is Ollama is running on my computer. So how you are going to do that? First thing first, what you have to do is just come onto this website, which is ollama.com. Then you have to download this Ollama, which I have already downloaded this in my computer. But after that, you have to select the module. Just simply click on this module in the top left corner. So you have to select your preferred model. They have a lot of options like DeepSeek R1, Gamma 3, Quen 3. Like if you go in Quen 3, so they have a lot of option like whichever you model you like. For example, if you like, let's say Llama 3.2, just simply click on the model name. These are the model name, and these are the size and the context and the input. Click on it, which I'm going to use this one, which the size is 22 GB. Just copy this Ollama run LLMA 3.2. Make sure you have downloaded this application and installed this into your computer. As you can see here, I have already downloaded Ollama. Then what you have to do is just simply open your Windows PowerShell or terminal. Just simply type terminal into your computer and paste this code which we have copied from here and hit the enter. So as you can see here, this egg model I think exists in my computer. So as you can see, the model is running. So hi, what's up? So the model is running. To check if the model is running, you have to uh, type this localhost 11434 to check is Ollama is running or not. Just simply paste it over here and hit the enter. So as you can see here, the Ollama is running in my computer. So okay, now let's move to n8n. So I have two options, like I'm using into Docker and I have the cloud version as well, as you can see here. So this is the cloud version, and if you want to use if you are using anything into a Docker container, you can use that same thing into to connect to Ollama. So what you have to do is just simply click on this, create a new workflow for that, and then I have to remove this and then click on this plus icon to open node panel and from the right side and search for Ollama. Then you have two options like Ollama chat model or Ollama model. Just enter button. Now from here you have to like I have already added 1, 2, 3, 4 credential from here. So what I'm going to do is just create new credential over here, and this is a base URL. Let's say if you want to check if your machine is working or not. Copy this. Let me just minimize this tab. Okay, so you get the better view. So just let's check if our Ollama is running. Okay, as you can see here, Ollama is running. Just remove this and click on the save button. So as you can see, credential successfully created. This credential has been created inside your personal space, but there is a problem with could not connect with these settings. Click on this more, which is in confused. So in order to fix that, what you have to do is just simply uh, add a different type of host. So use this URL instead of that, which one is given by default. So it will fix your error. Right now, maybe there is enough error, could not connect with the settings, which is this reason. So yeah, this is how you can connect. I have already 4 accounts over here. So this is already have connected. Uh, as you can see here. So this is how you can connect your Ollama chat model with the n8n. If you like this video, just simply subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, just simply comment it down. I will try to reply that question. Thanks for watching.